Hey everyone, you're welcome back to Homemade by Palma, and today we are going to be making some lemon pepper wings. Okay, these are crispy on the outside but juicy on the inside, so just stay tuned and let's get this ball rolling. Today I'm going to be eyeballing a lot of my ingredients, but don't worry, I'll get it right. But then if you're not too sure of the amount you're going to pour in it, you can just start with a quarter teaspoonful of each ingredient and then just taste as you go to be sure you're not over mixing stuff up. And here I have my chicken already washed, and I've also separated my drum meat from the flap and then the wing tips. So now we add our spices, and I'm going in with my garlic powder, my onion powder, and my red pepper powder, and some black pepper. And this is our star ingredient, lemon and pepper spice. Okay, so I'm going in with that, and I'm using a good amount because it is lemon pepper after all, so there has to be a good amount of that. And some salt, and we're gonna mix it. Add some lemon juice to that. You can omit this part, but then I just want to still get that rich lemon flavor, so I add a bit of lemon juice, and we are going to cover that up and put it aside. You can put it in the fridge or your countertop for about 30 minutes to marinate and soak up all those ingredients. And now we heat up our oil. Whilst our oil is heating up, we are just going to quickly prepare a flour mix or flour coating for our chicken. And I just added some lemon pepper spice, some salt, powdered pepper, and some black pepper as well. So we're just going to mix that up, and this is what we are going to use to dredge our chicken. Okay, so mix that up, and then you just put the chicken in there. You try and make sure that it's all covered up in the flour, and you shake off the excess, okay, so that this can fry well and be crisp. So make sure you shake off the excess and get the flour into every corner of the chicken. And guys, remember, you can always tweak this recipe, put in the amount of pepper you want, and you can use any spice you want. Anything that makes you happy, go ahead and do it, okay? Right, so just have fun in your kitchen. Yeah, so we whack that chicken. We are almost there. We'll start frying this soon. I just can't wait. I can't wait to start chewing this chicken. Medium to high heat is preferable when you're frying chicken of this nature and you want them to come out crisp, okay? So just keep your heat between that medium to high and just watch it so that you don't get these burns, okay? And it's also advisable not to overcrowd the pan when you're frying, so that the chicken can get its own space to do its thing and to fry well. I hope you get what I mean. Okay. And now we are going to make a real quick butter sauce to coat our chicken with when we are done frying. So this is real quick. We are just going to put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds and it comes out melted. And of course, lemon pepper spice. So I have to add my lemon pepper spice to this and add some powdered pepper because I want some heat in my chicken. And some parsley I found in my fridge. I said, hey, why not use this? Let's put it to use somehow. So yeah, I put it in there and mix it up and get right back to our chicken and make sure nothing is burning. So I'm just going to turn this and give it time to fry on the other side. And boy, oh boy, I can't wait. I can't wait to start eating my chicken. So yeah, it smells good. Guys, my chicken looks shiny and yummy with all that butter sauce on it. What do you think? Let me know. Does it look good? Do you want to eat some? You can always make some at home with this recipe. Just give it a try. And guys, this is it. Your crispy lemon pepper chicken wings. It's ready to be eaten. That's all. That was simple. That was fast. And yeah, this is it. This is how it looks like. It looks yummy and it tastes amazing. So thank you all for watching. Thank you for being here. Stay safe out there. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And I can't wait to see you on the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to join the family.